Today I'm going to show you how you can use a precision angle plate like this, which is clamped down with a C-clamp to a table, to cut insulating fire brick using an ordinary handsaw. Now I want the brick to have a particular angle, and the angle happens to be drawn in here, and I used trigonometry to calculate the exact angle by laying out the tangent lines so that I had this distance and this was the rise and that was the run, and it wound up giving me a precise angle that you couldn't have generated with a protractor, but you can generate it with trigonometry easily. So the first thing I've done is I've already cut one end of the brick, so now I have to just position this so I cut the other one accurately. And notice that I've got the saw on this side, and what I'm going to do is put my hand on the saw, and then I'm going to saw this direction. And you'll notice that because the brick can't tip, the brick cuts perfectly as long as I keep a finger on here. This lets me cut bricks of any size and angle I choose. These are used bricks even, and yet they cut perfectly. So what I'm trying to do is I'm building a special elevated base for my portable electric. And I want it to be better insulated, and I'm also putting in a kiln bench, which I'll show later. But if you look, you can see now the angles on these two ends match, and I just have a little bit of nubbing to do. I'll cut one more so you'll be able to see it really well. So I've cut the one end already, so all I really have to do is make sure that this area is clean before I put it down so it isn't held in an angle. I'm going to position this exactly the way it's supposed to be, and then with it lined up to the edge, all I have to do, again, is I'm going to line my saw up like this, put my hand on top of the brick to keep it from moving, and I'm just going to saw. An insulating fire brick cuts with an ordinary handsaw. This is just a cheap one I bought at I think I got this at a yard sale. It's a little bit rusty and kind of a crummy saw, but it's perfect for insulating fire brick. Once you're going, then you don't need to hold it anymore because it stays in the groove. And it only takes a second then to cut the brick, and we have now the 7 brick I need.